YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another overview and comparison with the HammerTech Solutions all metal, all new pop-up head removal tool, as well as the original OEM manufacturer's tool. Today we're going to actually take you through ANA's Style 1. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we're gonna walk you through ANA's Style 1 pop-up head removal tools. So we've got the plastic OEM original manufacturers here, as well as HammerTech Solutions all new all metal tool. So one huge benefit right off the bat is obviously you're comparing plastic to metal. So with the metal version, you're able to get a lot more torque on those heads without taking the risk of breaking any of the molded plastic. So as you guys can see here, it's just a basic molded plastic with these pins that actually get knocked in, and they're actually embedded here into the plastic. So very good quality. The only difference again is we're comparing plastic to metal. So with HammerTech Solutions all new all metal tool, you actually get a all metal knuckle as well as an all metal head here with the stainless steel prongs, as well as an all metal handle with the plastic butterfly clip. So one big benefit with the HammerTech Solutions is obviously you get a bigger handle. With the bigger handle going into the pool pole, you're actually getting more, getting the ability to get more torque behind this tool rather than just having this little section be able to slide up in the pool pole. And then you're putting a lot of pressure on this wing nut with the steel bolt that goes through here. So really nice that they gave you a longer handle in order for the service guys or your homeowners to be able to attach this to the pool pole. As you guys can see, the plastic tool has a plastic knuckle, so it can get pretty level to the side. So I mean, you're pretty close. You're about at a 20 degree angle here for you, so you can get pretty level with the heads depending on the location in your pool. Whereas when you get to the HammerTech Solutions with their all metal knuckle, you can actually pretty much get 90 degrees with the floor. So it's really nice that you can get level with the head, because then that way you can actually apply more torque on the actual head of the tool compared to having to put more pressure on the handle itself. So that's one big difference between the both of them. Both very well made tools. We would only ever really suggest using a plastic tool if you're looking to do just basic installation. And then if you're trying to do a removal of heads that, with the Style 1s, they could be in your pool for quite some time. So if you're gonna do a removal and you're trying to just take out your old ones, especially with these O-rings on the bottom of the heads, they tend to swell, which makes it very difficult to loosen these heads from the collars in the floor. We always do suggest using an all metal version, which is very beneficial because you're not gonna take the risk of breaking these, and they also come with a very good warranty, so that if you have any issues with these, they'll actually get you taken care of, which is really nice. So they both have the metal prongs here with a little bit of shaved end on there. That's just for the purpose of being able to slide into the head. As you guys can see, even with the plastic one, you do have to align those really well in order to make sure that it slides in and holds the head tight. You can see it actually will hold it, so then that way as it's attached to your pool pole, you can actually direct it to the collar and the floor, get it where it needs to go, and wiggle it loose. The same thing goes with HammerTech Solutions all metal tool here. Actually grabs a little bit easier, and as you can see, the tool itself is a little smaller than the diameter of the head, so then that way you get a little bit of wiggle room if for whatever reason these heads have swelled with time. So you do get a little bit more wiggle room, like I said, to be able to get this locked in. And they both do the same thing. They both will hold the head, get you down to the collar and floor, make sure you guys twist lock that in, and then be able to wiggle the tool out. So overall, only would suggest the plastic OEM tool here if you're doing a basic installation for the removal of any kind of stuck or stubborn heads that have been in your pool for more than 5 years, we do always suggest going with the all metal version. So make sure you guys check out the links below in the description to actually take you to both tools on the website, as well as give you guys some more information on HammerTech Solutions and their tools. This does come in a service kit for the service guys. So again, make sure you guys check out those links. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. We've got a lot more videos coming your way with these tools to show you guys these tools in action from the position of a pool pole. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys get all those notifications and stay up to date. So again, today we went over A&A's Style 1 pop-up head removal and installation tool with the HammerTech, the all-new HammerTech all-metal tool, as well as the original plastic Style 1 tool from A&A. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.